This is how I plan on doubling my profit in the next few weeks without actually doing anything. Now I know it sounds crazy, but it all started when I watched this video from Alex Hormozy like literally yesterday. I was watching this video, had over like 3.4 million views, and in the first 30 seconds, he just said, Somil, the biggest driving force on profit is simply your pricing. If you double your pricing, you can literally double your profit. You don't have to change anything, you can sell the exact same thing, but if you simply double your pricing, you get to make double the amount of money because you don't have to actually again do anything extra. So I can do the exact same thing and I can make double the money back. And he's clearly a guy who has done it for a lot of companies. He has made like hundreds and millions of dollars. So he clearly knows a thing or two. Solve rich people problems and they pay you a lot of money. So that's the psychology I'm going into this thing with. And this is exactly what I plan on doing, like literally the 30,000 feet game plan. Implementing it will be another video, so I'll probably like sit down live, maybe make like a 2 hour long video showing like how exactly I'm implementing everything. But this is the plan I have. So what this video and the plan is simple. We simply sell to people who are richer than the clients I'm currently serving so that they can pay me much more than what my clients are currently paying me. So what we do for context, like obviously I have some software companies and everything as well, but they just started like last month, a couple thousand in like monthly revenue, whatever. So I'm not even like focused on them. I'm not even going to think of it. The main thing we do, the main thing which actually makes us the most amount of money, for which we pay our like employees and everything, the main thing for which our company was registered was basically a B2B appointment setting company. So what we do is we find businesses that sell to other businesses, so B2B companies, because usually the ticket size is higher and they have much more like disposable income, so they actually tend to pay better than businesses that sell to consumers. Obviously there are like e-commerce companies that make like millions every single, like whatever. Finding a clothing brand, like a lot of clothing brands which make like millions every single month, it's kind of difficult. So yeah, I just simply stick to the B2B industry. And what we do is we use outbound systems to basically generate qualified appointments with people who they want to sell to. So they come to us, they tell us, okay, like this is what we're selling, this is how it can help the people you want to sell it to, and these are the people we want to sell it to. They live here, they do this thing, they have these many people in their companies, like these are the type of companies they have. And then basically we use that information to find contact information like email, phone numbers, and social media URLs of these people, and then we simply reach out to these people on behalf of our existing clients. We tell them exactly what our clients tell us, like yeah, this is how we can help them, and then we agree, like we tell them like yeah, we can get on a call, whatever, discuss it, we book a call, and then our clients pay us like $100-$200 per call. I saw this video from this guy, I don't know what his name is, Levy Lead Gen Agency, something like that. Yeah, this guy, Levi Ariola, whatever. So yeah, basically he made a video on how to run like a lead gen agency, whatever. And he said he was charging his clients like around $5,000 setup fee and also around $750 per call. And he said he has people who are paying like $1,000 per call as well. Then he posted like a student interview in a coaching program. He has like this agency velocity thing, whatever. And yeah, like I don't know, I can't see like the thing, whatever. But basically, that person was making like $75,000 a month profit, not revenue, like profit. And I think he was working with just 2 people. And he said like these were like massive software companies, and we basically generated like 23 calls in a month for them. I'm thinking, bro, I'm getting my clients like 3 to 4 calls a day, easily a day, not even in a month. And I'm not charging as much as these people are. So if these people can charge like 750 for generating just like 23 calls a month, I can do better than them. I'm a better person than he is in terms of like working appointments and everything. So I clearly should be paid more. The only problem is my clients on average right now, they make like $20,000-$30,000 a month profit and not like millions every single month like the software companies. Now I know like 20,000-30,000 a month might seem like a lot of money for you, but again, there are levels to the game. So if I have to do the same thing, why not get paid from someone who's making like millions every single hour or like millions every single month, so that I do the exact same thing. And for him, like $200-$500 a month, like what $100 is to a client who's making like, let's say like $20,000 a month, what $100,000 is to him, a guy who makes like let's say $2 million, it's the equivalent of me charging him $10 per call. So if I start charging my existing clients like $10 per call, for them it'll probably be nothing. But let's say like yeah, like it'll probably be nothing for them. But if there's a client who's making like $200,000 a month or like $2 million a month, Now the percentage of the income, like $100, or like basically the point I'm trying to convey is, if I make $1,000 and you ask me for $100, it's 10% of my income. But if there's someone who's making like $10 million and I ask him for $100,000, that's 1% of his income. So even though I'm asking like just like $100,000, like which sounds like a lot, for him it is actually like it's a less of an emotional decision for him compared to me if I make like just $1,000 a month, because I am imparting 10% of my net worth away. So that's the plan. Basically, find clients who can pay us more because they make more money per deal. And for this, we need like someone who has like a crew and sales process and everything. And for that, number one, we obviously need leads. And for leads, I'm going to be using like LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Again, you can like get yourself a free trial. I think LinkedIn gives like a 1 month free trial on Sales Navigator. One thing you can do is, I've actually built my own platform. I'll keep on updating it, which is known as Save Big by SalesGen, where we constantly keep on adding software deals so that you basically get to save money. Normally, after your trial is over and everything, LinkedIn is gonna charge you around, I think, like $100 a month per, like, if you want to continue with the Sales Navigator subscription, which I think is really good if you want to like hyper specialize, like hyper target the people you want to work with and everything. So I think like you should actually invest into it. But $100 a month is a bit too much. If you want to buy it from like third party providers, you go on to like I get a lot of meta ads for cheap LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts and everything. And over there, you pay around $30 to $50 a month. I don't think so there's any cheaper provider apart from this. After that, like I actually found a way where basically I have a link and I can share that link with you, and you can get 2 months of LinkedIn like Sales Navigator for free, like unlimited, for like on unlimited accounts for 2 freaking months. So that's why over here you pay $40 for 2 months, and then I give you a link. You can use that link to like activate unlimited Sales Navigator accounts. So yeah, maybe you can like keep on creating free Sales Navigator accounts, like create a new LinkedIn account and then you can use it. So yeah, that's the strategy you can buy from here. Like this is the exact link I use to basically get Sales Navigator on this, like unlimited accounts by the way. So yeah, you can actually like go ahead and start selling this to other people as well. What I'm going to be doing is, I'll come over to lead filters, and now I'll apply some filters to find people who I actually want to work with and everything. So you can come here, you can select like what is the current company, currently headcount, whatever. So yeah, basically you can apply these filters. What I plan on doing is choosing like a company with 51 to 200 employees, so slightly bigger companies. After that, I think maybe you can apply like job title should be like, let's say, founder, owner, CEO. So all these job titles I'm going to be applying, like founder, owner, CEO, whatever. Then after that, I'll like simply choose this thing over here, which is like posted on LinkedIn, because I actually made a video on this. You can watch it on my channel, where I basically said it's like a 30-second LinkedIn arc, which literally like 3 to 5x the amount of results you're getting. So we're doing LinkedIn outbound using a LinkedIn account, and then simply in the lead list where we chose this filter on, posted on LinkedIn. In the last 30 days, we took an account which booked us like 1 to 2 calls a day, and we were booking like 3 to 5 calls a day easily. We literally book like 5 calls that exact same day the moment we applied this strategy. So I don't know how it works, but yeah, it definitely works. So I'll be using this. I'll be exporting this data using like this extension, which is included with the Leadwave software, which is absolutely the best lead generation software ever created. Only software which gives you unlimited credits for like just $50 a month. And it has a bunch of different features over here. You can apply like any domain, like google.com, whatever. And yeah, you can find all the employees working there, like email, phone number. You can extract websites. You can use first name, last name, and the company domain to find emails. You have like a Google Maps scraper. You can paste LinkedIn URLs and find their contact information. We have the entire LeadRocks database, Apollo database, Sales Navigator database. Then we have like a Twitter scraper, Clutch scraper, where basically B2B companies list themselves. We also have a Crunchbase scraper and everything. Basically, you can use this data, like you can use the software to export it. We have this Chrome extension over here, which is LinkedIn Sales Navigator export. We can apply all the filters and start exporting this. And yeah, we basically get access to like a lot of data, like all the things you need, basically like company name, username, like email, phone number, Twitter, website, everything. Yeah, you can use that data. In case we're unable to find like the exact email addresses, what I plan on doing is like I'll be creating SOPs for this exact process for my team tomorrow. But yeah, what I plan on doing is coming here using the verified email finder, because with LinkedIn we can get the email and the first name, the last name, and the domain of the company where the person works at, so we can find like verified email addresses exactly using this. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. for the entire lead generation process. Let's say there are some companies where the domain does not exist. We can use the company to domain finder to simply enter the name of the companies, find the domain, and then we can use the domain to like enrich it, and we can find like people, like phone numbers and email addresses as well. So yeah, for email, I'll be using this one. For phone numbers, I'll be using like LinkedIn enrichment. Maybe I can use like the LinkedIn enrichment over here as well, because like Sales Navigator actually gives us like LinkedIn URLs as well. I'll actually show you in a Google Sheet to show you what the final data looks like. Final data. Where's the file? Yeah, you can see LinkedIn Sales Navigator export. We get like the LinkedIn URL, we get like the first name, last name, company, industry, email, phone number, like literally everything you can think of. Yeah, that's the data you get with the Leadwave Chrome extension. So yeah, definitely that's gonna be the lead generation strategy. Then we're gonna be reaching out to these people using email, and like I think we're gonna use email, and we can also maybe use SMS as well, because SMS is used a lot in the US, and maybe WhatsApp API, but WhatsApp API banned like sending like marketing messages in the US, so maybe we can use unofficial WhatsApp. So like for sending SMS, we're going to be using GoHighLevel, which is the absolute best freaking software. You can get it from my YouTube link. So like below this video, there's going to be a link over there. So it's a good way to support me. I give out a shitload of value. It has a free trial. You can try it out for free and everything. Another thing you can do is if you want like GoHighLevel sub accounts cheaply, you can simply message me on WhatsApp. There's going to be a link to it. So it costs like $100 a month. I can give you an account for like $49 a month. And if you want unlimited accounts, you don't have to pay like $297. I'll give you unlimited accounts for like $150 a month. So that's why basically you get to save like half of your money, which you can invest into other things. And we give you like all features. We don't like mark it up or something. So yeah, that's how I'm going to be sending like SMS. I'm going to be getting the SMS phone numbers using this. And for email, I'm going to be using ManyReach over here. Like I'm not affiliated with them. Like I do have an affiliate link, but they don't pay me to promote it or something. They did not reach out to me and say you have to promote it. Just what I'm saying, because I actually have like a lifetime deal with them. So like a few days ago, like ManyReach turned 2 years old. It was their birthday, so that's why they have this lifetime deal where they basically give you like 100, like you pay once and then you get to use it forever. Apply the code MR50. It's not my code. I just found it on their Instagram. So when I was buying it, I applied this code and then I got like $50 off again after applying like the coupon code. So you can use it. You get to save money. Like if you want, like I'll add the link to this in the YouTube channel description. So I'll simply be creating like a campaign over here. The copy I'm going to be using is like a partnership type of which I got from this guy, Carsten Fox email. Like he's a very genuine guy. Definitely watch his videos. He makes like good quality content. I'm not sure, like, but he has a video over here. Cold email script. Yeah. This video, he has like a really good script over here. Obviously, I'm not going to be copying and pasting exactly what he does, but I'm going to be using it for getting like a good reference and everything. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And for the senders, we actually like have a method in a company where we used to like bulk create these Gmail accounts. And Gmail accounts are great because they get like really good, like yeah, they basically get like really good open rates. We get 80 to 90% open rates with Gmail accounts, and you don't have to pay like recurring like inbox fees or something. So that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be sending like emails using this. We're going to be doing WhatsApp and SMS using like GoHighLevel. And yeah, that's basically going to be the technical stack. And for the campaign, I think we're going to be using like, I want to write like personalized first lines for this, because actually we're reaching out to like really high quality people. So they definitely won't be reading like spam. So for that, we're going to be using like Line AI. So this is going to be the tool which you're going to be using to write like personalized AI first lines. You get some free trial credits as well. It's really simple to use. I'll just quickly show you. So you just upload the CSV file and then you like give it a prompt. I'm going to be giving like a really simple prompt. You can obviously play around with it. I'll say write personalized, non-spammy, non-AI sounding first icebreakers to send in a cold email using. Then you enter like simply select the column which you want to use for personalization. So let's say I want the first name, I want the company like about section as well. Where's the about section? Like I can't see like the about section, like basically yeah, the about section. and then maybe the company name. Yeah, I'll simply like test it out. If the prompt looks good, I'll increase the creativity. Test prompt, and like this is a very shit prompt. You can enter like 1,000 word prompt. You have like a prompt library as well. There we add like successful prompts. So over here, BLE approach to demystifying AI for smarter marketing, exactly what many need today. So you can like do it, like you can tell it act nonchalant, act as if you just found them on LinkedIn and you're reading something that intrigued you. So yeah, basically you can like play around with it. Act personal, like you're speaking to your best friend or something. Basically like you can prompt it. I have done an absolutely terrible job. You can play around with it. It's gonna like, yeah, basically like use it to write personalized first lines and everything. Maybe I'll just stumbled upon your profile and your take on AI for smarter marketing really got my. So again, like these things are like these thing is usually used by AI. So don't use this ever. Only punctuation to use is comma or full stop. Basically, just keep on prompting this till the time you get it perfectly. Tell it everything which you don't like about the output and tell it what you like so that it exactly gives you what you're looking for, and then you can like freaking save it. Maybe I'll just stumble upon your profile and your take on AI and smarter marketing really got me thinking. Yeah, I think that looks like decent. So I'm going to be personalizing the first lines and then I'm going to be sending out the emails and everything. So that's exactly what I plan on doing. Basically using these outbound methods to scrape leads, personalize the messages, reach out to these people using like outbound everything, and then simply like get these people on a deal close, and yeah, get people as my clients who actually make much more money than my existing clients so that I can charge much more higher prices per call I generate for them. And if you're thinking like how I plan on closing these people, what I think of doing, like what I'm thinking is I can maybe offer like a free appointment as a lead magnet so that they can see what they're paying for without actually like investing money upfront or something, which I think is going to be really valuable, because if they can see that yeah, we actually develop, I think it's going to work like pretty freaking dope. Because yeah, I mean like what's the max which will happen? I pay like $5 or something out of my own pocket to book like an appointment for them, even if it does not work out, even if they ghost me or something. I'll just think I did like I did charity for someone, even though they make like 10 times more than me probably. Yeah, doesn't matter. So that's the strategy. I find them email, like I reach out to them on email. I add my WhatsApp number as well, my Go High Level API WhatsApp number, which is a US based number, and over there we go back and forth and we book them like a qualified appointment, and after that we simply continue the relationship from there, and we get money in a Stripe account every single month, every single day. That's the plan. I hope this added value. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them. Yeah, that's all I have for it. Check out the description, lot of cool shit. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day, man. Bye.